Hello students, I am Rajan Jha. In this section, we will discuss about the brief introduction of Compiler Design Lab. So mainly we will cover the marking scheme of Compiler Design Lab. We will come to know about the vision and mission of our Computer Science and Engineering department, the program outcome, and we will also see about the program educational objectives. We will also come to know about the objective and scope of Compiler Design Lab. So we will see one by one. First of all, I will come on marking scheme. So Compiler Design Lab consists of 50 marks. It consists of two sections, external and internal. External marks consist of 20 and internal marks consist of 30. Now come to vision and mission of Computer Science and Engineering department. Vision is to become a renowned center of excellence in computer science and engineering and make competent engineers and professionals with high ethical values prepared for lifelong learning. Next is mission of our department. Mission 1 is to impart outcome-based education for emerging technologies in the field of computer science and engineering. Mission 2 is to provide opportunities for interaction between academia and industries. Mission 3 is to provide platform for lifelong learning by accepting the change in technologies. Mission 4 is to develop aptitude of fulfilling social responsibilities. Next, we will discuss about the program educational objectives. These are the 5 program educational objectives defined by our department. Number 1 is to provide students with fundamentals of engineering science with more emphasis in computer science and engineering by way of analyzing and exploiting engineering challenges. Number 2 is to train students with good scientific and engineering knowledge so as to comprehend, analyze, design, and create novel products and solutions for the real life problems. Number third objective is to inculcate professional and ethical attitude, effective communication skills, teamwork skills, multidisciplinary approach, entrepreneurial thinking, and an ability to relate engineering issues with social issues. Number 4 is to provide students with an academic environment aware of excellence, leadership, written ethical codes and guidelines, and the self-motivated lifelong learning needed for successful professional career. Number 5 is to prepare students to excel in industry and higher education by educating students along with high moral values and knowledge. So these are the 5 program educational objectives of our department. Now we come to know about the program outcome. Program outcomes are graduate attributes defined by the National Board of Accreditation. There are 12 POs, 12 program outcomes. Number 1 is engineering knowledge. Number 2 is problem analysis. Number 3 is design or development of solutions. Number 4 is conduct investigations of complex problems. Number 5 is modern tool usage. Number 6, the engineer and society. Number 7, environment and sustainability. Number 8, ethics. Number 9, individual and teamwork. Number 10, communication. 11, project management and finance. And 12, lifelong learning. So these are the 12 PO defined by the NBA. This is the mapping of program educational objective and program outcomes. In this table, H represents high and L represents low and M represents medium. Now we will discuss the course outcomes of compiler design lab. So after this compiler design lab, graduates will be able to apply the concept of lexical analyzer using C or C++ and Flex tools. They can analyze different types of parsing and allocation data structure. Next is mapping of course outcome and program outcome. Similar to previous table, here also H, M and L represents high, medium and low respectively. This is the syllabus prescribed by the RTU. You can find syllabus on the RTU website. You can refer these books for compiler design. So I want to tell you about the prerequisite for this lab. You need to know about C and C++. We will execute all the programs in C or C++ language. So it is the main prerequisite for this lab. Compiler is very important subjects. The objective of this lab is to make you familiar with the compiler, make you familiar with the theoretical and practical implementation of programming languages. We will discuss the lab experiments from the next video. So thank you. Watch next videos for the lab experiments.